Just setting up some zonal tills. And just want to show you on DOJO the different things you can do. So this is fully integrated to the actual till system. If you press non-integrated sail, it allows you to make a sail away from the actual till. Just want to show you how to change Wi-Fi settings on this, as this is something that we've been asked quite a lot. So top left hand corner, you press the three little lines, press settings and Wi-Fi settings. So you basically just choose where you want to go. I'm already obviously connected to that. If you want to connect to this one, you put in the password, press connect. Once you've completed that, you come out and push it back to integrated sail. That's how to change Wi-Fi settings on a DOJO.